Hey guys, Eric here. Back with another hot tub video. This one's gonna be a little bit different though, and it's gonna be real quick. So loving the new hot tub, but we discovered an issue. So I'll try to show it to you once the water is a little bit drained. Water's kind of dirty right now just because I took the cover off and the cover had some leaves on it. Anyway, I'll show you the issue that we're running into when the water's completely drained. But good news is, right here, I got my replacement. So I did a warranty claim with Bestway and they sent me over a replacement hot tub. Total turnaround time from filling out the claim to having this in my hands, having the replacement in my hands, was about 2 weeks. So super fast using the online Bestway warranty claim form. I'll put a link for the warranty claim in the description below, just in case anyone else has any warranty issues. I know I've been answering a few comments on my videos where people seem to have some defects. They're not too common, but it seems like Bestway does a real good job of replacing things really fast if you've got a valid claim. So anyway, like I said, 2 weeks to get this. We're gonna set this up and then I'm gonna make another video because we have a spa surround that I'm gonna build around this that we ordered from Amazon. It's supposed to be really complicated and the instructions aren't supposed to be very good. So hopefully that video clarifies things once I get it built, if I am able to get it built. In the meantime, enjoy this little time-lapse video of us doing the draining and replacing this with our new spa. Now that it's fully drained, I can show you the issue I was running into. If you look down here, you can see there's like a bubble here. So this is like where the lining on the floor has separated from the actual bottom of the hot tub. So what this ends up doing is the bottom starts to float up when you fill it with water or when you're running the jets and whatnot. So it was kind of annoying, a lot more annoying than I thought it would be. So that's the reason for the replacement. So now we're gonna set up the replacement now that this is fully drained. So we have to deflate it first. So we will do that and then set up the replacement. New one is inflated. Now it's time to move it into its final position and then we can start filling it up with water. But before we do that, let's make sure we don't have the same problem with this one. This one looks like the floor is firmly attached, but we won't know for sure until we fill it up with water. So that's it for now. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all set up, and hopefully we don't have the same issue that we had with the other one. All right guys, it is the morning and As you saw before, this is the replacement hot tub that we got from Bestway. Now it's time to turn on the jets and make sure we don't have the same problem that we had with the original, which was the floor was not glued down to the bottom properly in certain areas, so it would bubble up and float up a little bit or fill with water when the jets were on. So we're going to test that right now. Now the issue would only happen with the air jets on, not the water jets, because the air jets are the only ones that are connected to the floor. Now we'll turn those off to make sure that the floor is still not bubbled up. As you can see, there are some wrinkles and stuff down there. That's okay. Those will flatten out over time. Looks like this hot tub is good. And yeah, can't wait to use it. We're probably gonna use it tonight after I balance the water and whatnot. But fast replacement from Bestway, really good warranty service. And I hope you guys experience the same thing. I'll put a link in the description below where you can fill out a warranty claim if you need to. And they seem to be really fast at responding. So good job, Bestway. Anyway, like and subscribe. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.